Welcome to the Bell Ringer. Today in the Bell Ringer, you're going to make a New Year's Eve countdown. So let me show you what it should look like when it runs. When it runs, it's going to first ask for your name. The user is going to type in whatever his name is or her name is. It will ask how long the countdown should be. So if I said I want a 6-second countdown, as soon as I hit enter, it's going to begin a 6-second countdown. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this is important. This message, notice, whatever name they typed in is used here. So that piece of input that we remembered is going to be important to that message. Make sure you wish them a Happy New Year's by name. Make it personal, right? So again, if I were to say Sally is my name, notice Sally gets remembered. That's important because you'll need it later. How many seconds? If she said 10, I get a 10-second countdown, started at 10. Counts all the way down until 0, and then it's going to grab this name that they typed in earlier that you remembered, and it's going to use it here in this message. Very cool. Now, let me show you what that's going to look like when you get started. When you begin, you click on the link to get here. The very first thing you want to do is hit remix and share. So hit remix and then share, because if you don't do that, I can't give you a grade because I don't have anything to look at because it didn't save your work, and if you didn't share it, I can't see your work. So remix and share first off. Now here's what I'm going to say. I got you started because I'm so nice. I went ahead and did the part where it asks the name and gets the answer. Right? Then all these blocks here are these are all the blocks you need. You're not going to have to go over and get any other blocks. You just have to assemble these in the right order. You may, you will need to change some of the numbers in these blocks. Like 0 is not always the answer for them. Now, my pro tip is, think about this repeat. A repeat means everything in that sandwich is going to happen over and over and over again. So think about what needs to happen repeatedly and what doesn't. If you don't want it to happen over and over and over again, it needs to be outside the sandwich, either before or after the sandwich. Now, think about this. Asking your name and getting your answer. I don't want to do that more than once. So these two blocks are not in that loop for a reason. I do not want them to happen repeatedly. I want them to happen before I start repeating something. So they're here, and then spoiler alert, that's going to come later. So what you need to think about is what should happen repeatedly. Put it in here. If you only want it to happen once, it either needs to go above or below the sandwich, depending on if you wanted it to happen before or after you repeated stuff. Right? Stuff that goes down here after the sandwich will happen after you're done repeating. So that's how to organize your thoughts. What should happen first, what should happen repeatedly, what should happen after you're done repeating. Awesome. So make sure you use all these blocks. Make sure that you wish them a Happy New Year's and use their, a personalized Happy New Year's message. That this block may help you with that, and it's going to be awesome. So make a Happy New Year's.